So on the other hand we have the yarn. So I already hold my yarn already in projects, but let me show you exactly where I'm holding the yarn in order for you to learn. So basically I want you to hold up your hand, and we do this in live workshops. I have everybody hold up their hand and just like so. So you see all your fingers. Okay, so some people when they hold up their hand they see excessive gaps between their hands. They could have knuckles, arthritis, and etc. So that's something that you're gonna have to think about when you're going to do it, because not everybody's hands close tight just like this. Okay, so that's something that you have to think about. So what I want you to do is that I want you to take the yarn and put it over top of your hand like so. Okay, so the yarn will be going over top of your hand and into your pointer finger and your thumb area. So now I want you to pick it up and just put it between your pinky and over top of 3 fingers. Just like this. Do you get that? At any point you can stop this video in order for you to see exactly where I'm moving everything. What I want you to do is that without any tension at all, I want you to leave everything in your hand and turn your hand around and pretend you're the Queen of England, but instead of doing a pinky in the air, I want you to keep your pointer finger in the air, and I want you to pinch like a flamenco dancer having her little tapping things. This finger and this finger, so your driving finger and this finger, are your finger that actually pinch your project as you're working, and this one stays relatively high in the air, or it could be bent, whatever. And the reason for this is that the tension of this string right here is determined by this finger and also by this finger's back over here. So when I close these I can't pull this yarn, and when it's a little bit loose here, all I just need to do is raise up that finger here, and then it's tense here. So basically the tension is here and here in your hand. So let's review that one more time. So you have the string, you put your hand in front of you, go down between the pinky, okay, and come across 3 fingers, and then turn your hand around and pinch like a flamenco dancer.